guys, let me take you guys for a little ride around. Alright guys, car's on. Oh yeah, you see the antenna guys? It went up. I'm gonna shut off the radio right now so you can see. So I'm gonna shut it off and you see the antenna going down. There you go. Okay. Surprisingly, it works. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened in 1985, but there's no CD player or tape player. They just have FM radio. Alright guys. This car drives so smooth. Like you literally feel it. It's just so smooth, it's like you're riding on the clouds. Somewhat like a Cadillac. Lower this radio down. Guys, everyone enjoy their day, whatever's left of this summer, because winter is coming and it's gonna get really cold, so they say. All right guys, another time I'll do another video of it. I'll do a much better video. I mean, I try to do my best today. I gotta go home and take a shower and get dressed up because I've been working all day. Look at that wood, guys. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It just shines like it's new. Look at that. I'll tell you for sure 100%, they don't make cars like this at all. These cars are junks. They're new cars. Alright guys. See Black Rascal over and out.